Welcome to my tutorial on the Salve Regina. I hope to teach you how to understand and pronounce this original Latin prayer, then how to sing the common form known as the simple Salve Regina, as opposed to the solemn Salve Regina, which is a little more fancy. This was requested by a viewer. Thank you for your feedback. If someone would like to learn to chant the solemn Salve, please do let me know that as well. So first, let's look at what it means. That way, when we practice pronouncing it, you'll better understand what you're saying and the feeling involved to connect you to the prayer. I presume you're familiar with the Hail Holy Queen prayer in English. Well, that is just a pretty close translation of this original Latin. So, Salve Regina means Hail Queen. Salve, Hail, Regina, Queen. Mater misericordiae, Mother of mercy. Mater, Mother, misericordiae, of mercy. Jesus is our mercy. Vita means life. Dulcedo, sweetness. Et, and. Spes, hope. Nostra, our. Salve, hail. So, hail our life, our sweetness, and our hope. Ad te clamamus. Ad means to, te is you. Clamamus, we cry out. So we say in English, to thee do we cry. But it's not cry as in weeping, at least not this verb. Clamare means to cry out or to shout. If you imagine someone, crying out, yelling out for help, that's basically what's going on with this verb. So to thee do we cry out. Exules filii Heve, because we are the exiled children of Eve. So Heve of Eve, filii, children, and then exules. You can see it, how similar that is to the word exile in English. Ad te suspiramus, to thee do we sigh and long. So suspirare means to sigh or to long for. So we sigh, we long for you, basically, ad te, to you. Gementes et flentes. Gemere means to groan, or to sigh, or to mourn. And then flentes comes from weeping, basically. It's the plural participle, as is gementes. So we say in English, mourning and weeping. So that's pretty good. In hac lacrimarum valle. In this valley of tears. So in means in, hac this, valle, valley, lacrimarum, of tears. Ella ergo. So ella isn't really translated in the English. It's an interjection which means quick or come then or well. Here they kind of put it together in English with ergo, which means therefore. And we just say then, basically. So, ella ergo advocata nostra. Advocata means advocate or lawyer, the one who advocates for us. Nostra, our. Illos tuos misericordes oculos ad nos converte. Illos tuos means those your, misericordes, merciful. And if you look at the word misericordes, merciful, it's actually a combination of a couple different words in Latin. Miser, wretched or miserable, and cordis means heart. So it's really a person whose heart goes out to the miserable, a person who has a heart for the miserable or the wretched. So it's really even more profound in Latin. Misericordes oculos, eyes. Ad, to, or toward. Nos, us. Converte, turn. So turn those your merciful eyes toward us. Et Iesum. Et means and. Iesum, Jesus. Benedictum, blessed. Fructum, fruit. Ventris tui, of your womb. Ventris, of the womb. So, and Jesus, the blessed fruit of your womb. Nobis, to us. Post, after. Hoc, this. Exilium, exile. ostende, show. And Jesus, the blessed fruit of your womb, show to us after this exile. O clemens means O clement or O merciful. O pia. Pia is pretty difficult to translate. It really means loving, pious, merciful, kind, tender, etc. And it's not that it means one or the other. We have to pick one or the other usually in English when we try to translate it, because they're not thinking in English, they're thinking in Latin. So it really means all of those put together. So hence the depth and the beauty when you get to use the original Latin instead of translating it. But all of that, O pia, O dulcis, O sweet, Virgo Maria, Virgin Mary. Ora pro nobis, sancta Dei genitrix. So this is a responsory at the end that is often omitted, but it's also often included, either when you're praying it spoken or chanting it. And it means ora, pray, pro, for, nobis, us, sancta, holy, Dei, of God, genitrix, mother. So pray for us, O Holy Mother of God. Ut digni, ut means in order that or so that, digni, worthy, efficiamur, we might be made, so that we might be made or may be made worthy. Worthy of what? Promissionibus Christi, of the promises of Christ. Now, let's practice pronouncing it. So try to repeat after me, one part at a time. Salve Regina, Mater misericordiae, vita dulcedo, et spes nostra salve. Ad te clamamus, exules filii Heve. Ad te suspiramus, gementes et flentes, in hac lacrimarum valle. Ea ergo, advocata nostra, illos tuos, misericordes oculos, ad nos converte. Et Iesum benedictum fructum ventris tui, nobis post hoc exilium ostende. O clemens, O pia, O dulcis, Virgo Maria. Ora pro nobis, sancta Dei genitrix. Ut digni efficiamur promissionibus Christi. And now let's sing our hearts out to our mother. Salve Regina, Mater misericordiae, vita dulcendo, et spes nostra salve. Ad te clamamus, exules filii Heve. Ad te suspiramus, gementes et flentes, in hac lacrimarum valle.
Ea ergo advocata nostra, illos tuos misericordes oculos ad nos converte. Et Iesum benedictum fructum ventris tui, nobis post hoc exilium ostende. O clemens, o pia, o dulcis Virgo Maria. Ora pro nobis sancta Dei genitrix, ut in efficiamur promissionibus Christi.
I hope this has been helpful for you. Please like and subscribe and share. God bless, et oremus pro invicem.